You could be committing fraud when you transfer your parents' property into your name when they pass away without going through the probate process. And so when you make that transfer, it's called a fraudulent transfer because you have to go through the probate process to transfer your parents' property out of their estate into your name, even if you are named on their will. And so the correct way to do this is when they pass away, you grab their will, their death certificate, and the petition for probate, and you file those documents at the probate courts in the county where your parents lived. That will open up the probate process, and they will give you the letters of testamentary, which gives you the authority to manage the assets inside the estate. At that point, you get an EIN number and open up an estate bank account. You transfer all their financial assets into the estate bank account so everything's in one place. And then you call the lender and the insurance company, show them the death certificate to prove that your parents passed away, and the letters of testamentary to prove that you have the authority to manage the assets inside the estate, and then you take over the payments for those things. And so now you're managing those assets. At the same time, you need to be publicly notifying creditors that your parents have passed away. Those creditors will come to you and say, hey, here's the debts that your parents owed us. You will use assets inside the estate to pay those debts off, and then you can distribute that property out or the remaining assets out to you or whoever the beneficiaries are listed in their will. And then after you do that, you would file the final accounting and the petition to discharge you as the executor of the estate, and the probate courts will approve it and close out the probate process. That's it.